So what are you doing right now?
I am putting my first cut in for a wedge. I'm cutting at the tree. I need to come around that way a bit.
That's it.
Because I'm not left-handed, this is quite awkward. I need to put it that way. Okay, I think that's far enough and it's straight. Now to come in at a wedge. This is the bit I find hardest.
Weight that way, so needs a bit of weight that time.
That's it. Keep going.
Yep.
A little bit down on this side.
Pardon?
A little bit further down towards me.
Okay.
That's it. And a little bit further down towards you.
Put it over here.
Finishing it off.
Yeah. I think that's out.
Lovely.
There we go. My wedge. Right.
So now,
I'm going to be coming in. Hopefully not so high up this time.
do you want to put your stick in?
I'm just thinking my loppers are over there and I'm going to be got